Assam votes in April for its state elections in what is a high-pitched battle between the Congress and the BJP, but many young voters may not be present in the state on polling day. That's because they're out of state, either working or studying. Assam's unemployment rates are among the highest in the country, and those on board the Guwahati-Delhi Northeast Express say that not enough has been done to address this issue.
No first-time vote for 20-year-old Mohammad Mustafizur in Assam state elections. 10 days before voting, Mustafizur is doing this 34-hour train journey on the Northeast Express to Delhi to find work as a guard or a welder. With the job, he hopes to send 5,000 rupees per month back to his family of 7 in Dhubri.
किसी की एमएलए की नवा किसी की एमपी की साला या इसको दे देता है। हमको तो यहाँ पर गरीब घर का पैसा, हम तो इतनी पैसा नहीं है काम देने के लिए, नौकरी नहीं लेके नहीं है।
Assam is among the top 3 states across India when it comes to rural unemployment, and in the top 5 states who have failed to give jobs to youths in cities. Over 60% of manufacturing projects worth hundreds of crores announced in Assam are yet to take off. On the Northeast Express, 30-year-old newspaper vendor Bikul says he has given up on government jobs too after 10 years of trying. The vacancies too few, the aspirants too many.
अभी जो बीजेपी बोल रहा है तो नौकरी देगा, इस हम बीजेपी का सरकार होना चाहिए। मतलब कांग्रेस भी ऐसे ही बोलता है।
तो आपको क्या लगता है, कुछ करेगा ये लोग कि बोलता है?
ऐसे बात बोलता है, हम तो मन में तो विश्वास करता है।
सत्ता में आने की जो कल्पना आपने की थी, कितने लोगों को आपने?
The Congress that's ruled for 15 years says it's given out 5 lakh jobs in this time and created livelihood for millions. On the cards, it says more technical training institutes and 50% reservation for women in government jobs. The BJP says infrastructure jobs are the way forward.
आसाम के नौजवानों की ताकत को बल मिले, आसाम के नौजवानों को अवसर मिले, उस दिशा में हम प्रयास कर रहे हैं। और इसलिए भाइयों बहनों, हमने इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पर बल दिया है।
आप हमें बताइए, बब्बर शेर ने कितने लोगों को, कितने युवाओं को रोजगार दिया?
In the last 3 decades or so, politics in Assam has been majorly about regionalism, identity. Many on board the Northeast Express feel that issues like jobs have been left out, but are hoping that this election, things will be different. In Rangya with camera person Sanjoy Chakravarti, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.